Public facilities. How is it that the average person in Haryana has more income than the average person in Kerala but lags behind in these crucial areas? So you can see that in table 1.3 Haryana is most developed, but in other area Kerala is most developed. So how it is possible that average income is good but it lags in other areas? Money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services that you may need to live well. Money in your pocket. For different developmental goals, to fulfill our goals, we need money. But money only is not enough for a better life. We need other things also, like for example, like security, freedom, family. These things we cannot buy with our money. For example, normally your money cannot buy you a pollution-free environment or ensure that you get unadulterated medicines unless you can afford to shift to a community that already has all these things. Money may also not be able to protect you from infectious diseases unless the whole of your community take preventive step. Take the example of today's time, today's India. We are doing online classes. I am teaching in online through the WhatsApp. You are studying through WhatsApp. Why? Because of the environment, which is very dangerous. It is not suitable to conduct classes in school because of the COVID cases. These type of problems cannot be solved by money, because the rich people who are living in today's world, they are also suffering from this type of diseases. Actually, for many of the important things in life, the best way, also the cheapest way, is to provide these goods and services collectively. Just think, will it be cheaper to have collective security for a whole locality or for each house to have its own security man? What if no one other than you in your village or locality is interested in studying? Some individual goals are fulfilled with the help of our society also. It is not possible for a single man to do the changes. For example, if we need pollution-free environment, it is not possible for the individual to make the environment pollution-free, but it's a duty, responsibility for other pupils also who are living in that society to keep their environment clean. Would you able to study? Not unless your parents could afford to send you to some private school elsewhere. So you are actually able to study because of many children also wants to study, and because many people believe that the government should open school and provide other facilities so that all children have chance to study. You are still studying in a school. This is not only the demand of your parents. The other parents are also sending their children to the school. So because of the demand of the other people also, school is available to teach you. Even now in many areas, children, particularly girls, are not able to go to high school because the government society has not provided adequate facilities. There are many backwarded regions in our India where girls are not allowed to go to school. Some goals like public facilities, a better school in any areas, playground, a good health center, these things are fulfilled by a community or a society. To fulfill these goals, community is also important. Kerala has a low infant mortality rate because it has adequate provision of basic health and educational facility. In table 1.4 it was already given. Kerala has infant mortality rate low as comparing to other states. It means here the health facility is better. Also education is also better because of health and education, Kerala is developed as comparing to the other state given here. Similarly, in some state the PDS, public distribution system, functions well. Health and nutritional status of a pupil of such state is certainly likely to be better.